Hey, beautiful soul. The new month has some powerful energy for you. Wherever you are in your journey, this month has some great blessings coming your way. All these turbulent times challenged you to grow, to love, slow down at times, and never give up. But now you are fully ready to receive what's coming with an open heart and a ready mind. May you be blessed with unexpected opportunities, financial wealth, and inner peace this month. Dearest child, you are in the process of attracting the life of your dreams. In this space, we entertain the divinity of a natural flow. We enjoy what comes and we let go of what needs to go. This is the fountain for thriving without setbacks and sufferings. In the past, much of what you became attached to was based on ego, not desire, which is why you would manifest something and it would still feel off. Whereas now you ask from a place of intention by feeding your mind peace and your heart honesty. You get more of what you are naturally aligned with. Type yes if you agree.